will see how this disposal performs in our fish scrap test.
For this test, the disposal will take no longer than 3 minutes to process roughly 49 ounces of raw salmon scraps, including bones, fins, and skin.
The equipment that we use includes a stopwatch, a sound level meter, a scale, and finally, one colander with small holes and another one with larger holes. Let's get to it.
As you can see, the prepared scraps have been chopped into chunks that can easily go through the sink drain. We also separate the different parts of the input load instead of mixing them up. This is because we want to prioritize the tricky materials like the fins and the skin, as they take the longest to grind. A run finishes once 3 minutes have passed. If a disposal finishes sooner, it's eligible for bonus points. We then proceed to categorize the output materials using the colanders with large holes as layer 1 and the colander with smaller holes as layer 2. To assess our performance in this test, we focus on how much of the input load is left over and how finely the output materials are processed. The Evolution Excel went through 49 ounces of raw fish bones, fins, and skin like they were normal kitchen scraps, and left behind only 0.12 ounces of shredded bits. The disposal did incredibly well pulverizing the materials, leaving the pieces in the output visually indistinguishable from one another. This was particularly impressive for such a challenging task. With set results, the InSinkErator Evolution Excel 1 horsepower scores 10 for leftovers, 7.5 for its layer 1, and another 10 for layer 2, resulting in the disposal's 9.3 rating for its incredible performance in the raw fish scraps test. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.